What are you doing, bud? Pedal. You're okay. It's not going to go too fast. Just stay to the right. Because it's going to start to go uphill and you're going to slow down. So you're going to want to pedal before you get to the hill. Keep going. You're going to see it's going to get harder to go up. Good. Good girl. Stay to the right. Keep on going, you got it. Good girl. Strong legs. All the way to the top.
That's so cool. How old is she?
She's 4.
Oh my God, good for her.
Good girl, you got it. You can stop up there. Wait for me there. Use the brake. Good, you're using the brake too. Good job. How was that? Good? You did well. Yeah, use the brake. Now look at what we got ahead of us. You see that? You can do this. You got this? Okay.